The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Knox County Center of Disease Control at 10:30 a.m. An accident has occurred in the Knox County office which has caused a spread of an unknown virus designated Knox-14. The symptoms of this virus is fever, sweating, red eyes, coughing, sneezing, and erratic behavior which leads to violent altercations. If you or a loved one is infected by this virus, call 411 and allow yourself to be transported to one of the virus treatment sites spread around the city to treat the virus.